Hello students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to start the exercise 11.1 and this is the first question. The first question is all about one rectangular piece of land is given to you whose length is given and breadth is given. The first part of the question is to find the area, okay, and the second part is find the value, find the cost. Okay, the cost is given, that is 10,000 rupees. We have to find the exact value of the rectangular piece of land. Okay, so length of a rectangular piece of land, this is the picture I have made. This is the land and this is the length. Okay, so this is the length, that is 500, and this portion is the breadth, that is 300. So length is given 500, breadth is given 300. First part of the question is to find the area of a rectangular piece of land. The formula is length into breadth. Okay, so here 500 is the length and 300 is the breadth. Just multiply this, multiply 2 zeros are here, 2 zeros are here, just write 4 zeros. 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, so basically when you are doing the when you are finding the area, the unit should be is in square. Okay, that you have to keep it in your mind, always in area only, not in perimeter, only in area. The units should be in square. So the unit is meter square. We have to write here. Now come to the next part. The next part is cost of the 1 meter square land is given rupees 10,000, right? So we have to find the cost of 1,50,000 meter square. Okay, this is the land and this is the cost. We have to find the actual value of this land. So just multiply this 10,000 with 1,50,000. Very simple calculation. Here 4 zeros are here 4 zeros are here. Just first write 8 zeros and write 15. So this is the actual cost of the land. So this is the symbol of rupees. Okay, this symbol you have to use it. So this is all about the first answer of the question. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. On to the next question, question number 2. So in this question, the question is all about a square park is given, okay, and the perimeter of a square park is given to you, that is 320 meter. We have to find the area of a square park. So one thing, keep it in your mind, for finding the area of a square park, we want side. Side means the formula for finding area of square is side into side. But in this question, perimeter is given. Perimeter means all the four sides, the length of the four sides is given to you. Okay, first of all we are going to find the one side. Okay, one side of this square park. With the help of that one side, we will find the area. Okay, how? See, the perimeter of square park is already given, that is 320 meter. Okay, the perimeter of square, the formula for the perimeter of square is 4 into side. Okay, now the question is 4 into side is already given, that is 320 meter. We have to find the value of one side. For finding the value of 1, we have to do the division, right? So here also 320 divided by 4. Why 4? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, square having 4 sides. That's why we are dividing this 320 by 4. So we get 80. So value of one side is 80 meter, right? The value of one side is 80 meter now. Now the next part, we have to find the area of this square park. Okay, area of the square park, the formula is side into side. Okay, now we got the value of one side, that is 80 meter. So value is side into side means 80 into 80. The answer is 6,400 meter square. Okay, always put the meter square because it is very necessary for writing in area. Okay, it is very necessary while writing the units in area when you are solving area questions, right? So here the area is 6,400 meters square. Okay, in perimeter it is not required, but in area the unit square unit is required. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 3. So in question number 3, the one rectangular piece of land is given, we have to find out the breadth and perimeter. We have to find out. Given is area is given there and length is given there. Okay, so area is already given 440 meters square, length is given 22 meters square. So we have to find out the breadth first. After finding the breadth, we have to find the perimeter of a rectangular plot. Okay, so let B be the breadth of a rectangular plot of land. The length is given, that is L, 22 meter. So we have to find the first area. Area of rectangular plot, that is given, already the area is given to you, 440 meters square. We have to find the breadth. So the formula for finding the area of a rectangular plot, rectangle is length into breadth. That is 440 meter, already given in the question. Okay, this is the formula of area that is already given here. So here in the place of L, just put the value 22 meter into B. We have to find out how much it is given, 440 meters. So finding the breadth, we have to do the division. Okay, so 440 divided by 22, you will get 20 meter. So here the breadth is 20 meter now. Okay, after that, the second part of the question is to find the perimeter of a rectangular piece of land. The formula for the perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So we already have length 22 meter, then we are having breadth 20 meter, we find it now. Okay, so 22 plus 2 into L plus B. Okay, 22 plus 20, that is 42. Rest of the question I am writing here this side. Okay, so 2 into 42, that is 84 meter. Okay, this is the solution for question number 3. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 4. In question number 4, we have to find out the breadth as we have found it in the previous question, same way, and we have to find the area. Okay, these two things we have to find out, and what is given here, perimeter is given and length is given. Okay, so don't write this question. Okay, this is just for the explanation, right? So first we have to find the breadth here. So let B be the breadth of a rectangular sheet. Okay, now next part is length is already given, that is L is 35 centimeter. Now the perimeter of a rectangular sheet, that is also given. These two things are given, that is 100 centimeter. Okay, so the perimeter of rectangle, the formula is 2 into L plus B, that is given 100 centimeter. Okay, perimeter means 2 into L plus is already given, that is 100 centimeter. So we have to find out, from here we have to find out the breadth. Okay, so this is the first step. Next step is L plus B is equal to 100 by 2. We have studied in chapter number 4. So this 2 we have to shift here. Okay, in the denominator. So when you cut this 2 and 100, you will get 50 here. Now in the place of length, what is the value of length is given? 35 centimeter. So 35 plus breadth is equal to how much? 50. Okay, now come to this side. So breadth is equal to, we have to transpose this 35 to RHS. This 50 will remain as it is. When this plus 35 goes this side, it will become minus. So 50 minus 35, that is 15. So the breadth is 15 centimeter now. Now the next part is, we have to find the area of a rectangular sheet. The formula for the area of rectangular sheet is length into breadth. So we got the breadth here, that is 15 centimeter here. Now length is given 35 already in the question. Breadth we got 15 centimeter. Just multiply for finding the area, multiply it, and in the last, especially in area, we are finding the unit should be in square. So 525 centimeters square. Hope it's clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to the next question. That is question number 5. Just I'm reading the question. So in this question, the area of a square park is same as of a rectangular park. Means the area of a square park is equal to area of a rectangular park. If the side of a square park is 60 meter, okay, when we are talking about square park, side is given 60 meter, and for the rectangular park, length is given 90 meters. Okay, we have to find out the breadth of a rectangular park. Okay, so we have to find the breadth for the rectangular park. So side of a square park is given, that is 60 meter. So one side is given, means we have to find the area, because in the question it is mentioned that area of a square park is equal to area of rectangular park, right? So area of square park, that is side into side. The formula is S into S. Also you can write it side into side, that is 60 into 60, that is 3600 meter square. Okay, meter square you have to put. Now this is all about the area of a square park, which is equal to the area of rectangular park. Now in rectangular park, breadth is not given, that we have to find out. So let B be the breadth of a rectangular park. Now the length is given how much? 90 meter. Okay, length is given in the question 90 meter. Now it is given that area of square park is equal to area of a rectangular park. Means this 3600 meter square is equal to the area of rectangular park. The formula for area of rectangular park is length into breadth. So it is given here, area of square park is equal to area of rectangular park, means L into B is 36 meter square. Okay, from here we have to find the breadth. How? Value of length is given 90, breadth we have to find out 3600 meter square, that is the area. So just for finding the breadth, just divide it, so you will get 40. So hence the breadth of a rectangular park is 40. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, hope in the first video we are doing up to this exercise, or up to this question only. Next questions we will do it in the next video. Hope it is clear to you. Okay, and if you have any doubt, just drop your messages in campus here. Okay, thank you.